Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to transfer money from Barclays to Monzo. So let's get started. Transferring money from your Barclays account to Monzo is simple and secure using the Barclays mobile app. First, open the app and go to the Pay and Transfer section at the bottom of your screen. Tap Pay a recent or new payee. Here, you can select the account you want to transfer from, usually your Barclays account, and the account you want to transfer to. If your Monzo account isn't listed, tap Add New Payee and enter the details for the Monzo account. Make sure to choose between personal or business, and enter the recipient's name, sort code, and account number carefully. Double-check all details because the account will be verified. Once the Monzo account is added, you can enter the amount you want to send, add a reference, and choose whether it's a one-off payment or a standing order for recurring transfers. Review all details carefully to avoid errors, then tap Continue to initiate the transfer. You can manage or track your payments anytime through the Manage Payments section in the app. This method ensures a fast, secure, and reliable way to move money from Barclays to Monzo. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.